Welcome to PrimeCare360. We're excited to introduce you to the Healow app, a powerful tool that puts your healthcare at your fingertips. Whether you're on your phone or at home using a laptop, tab, or computer, Healow offers two convenient ways to manage your health. You can use Healow in two ways, through the mobile app or the secure web portal. Both options allow you to access your health information, book appointments directly, and soon you will be able to communicate with your provider and stay on top of your healthcare needs. Once you've downloaded the Healow app, you'll start by confirming your identity. After that, you'll set up a PIN code that's easy to remember. The Healow app will send you reminders for your upcoming appointments and even direct you to our office. You can also access your patient summary right within the app. Your doctor will update your medications directly in the app, making it easy to keep track of what you're taking. Need a refill? You can request one with just a few taps. No more waiting for a call. Your lab test results are available in the app as soon as they're ready. Also, the Healow app allows you to send secure messages to your provider, keeping your communication private and direct. With the Healow app, you can also view your allergies, medical history, and the medications you're currently taking. It's all in one place, right at your fingertips. For those who prefer using a computer, the Healow web portal is a secure online website that allows you to access your health information, upcoming appointments, and medications, or even print your visit summary. Signing up is simple. Just provide your email address and you'll receive a username and password. You can then access your health information from any device with an internet connection. Here are some FAQs. Is it secure? Absolutely. All your data is encrypted to meet industry and national standards for the secure transmission of personal health information. Does all the information I enter go back to you at the practice? Only the messages you send are returned to us. The rest of the information is for your private use. What if I have more questions? Should I call you? The Healow app is supported by a dedicated team ready to help. There's also a help section within the app for quick assistance. Which is best for me, the app or the portal? If you prefer a detailed view of your information on a PC or laptop, the portal is best. If you're on the go, the app is perfect for quick access. How do I get started? Download the Healow app and log in, or visit healow.com for more details. It's that easy. With PrimeCare360 and Healow, managing your healthcare has never been more convenient. Thanks for watching and stay connected with PrimeCare360.